I had to stop for the night. Then she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. She lit up a candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel of California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Radio from at the Hotel of California. Anytime I'm here, you can find it here. Her money's deep and twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys that she could friend. Holidays in the culture, sweet summer sweat. Some days to remember, some days to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had this beer here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel of California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living it up at the Hotel of California. What a nice surprise, bring you all alive. There was on the ceiling, the big champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master chambers, they can't get it for the feast. This time we sitting nice, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to